How's it going, guys? So today we have another Yabo, yet another box opening. Today's knife, today's EDC, you guys will see a review on this soon. We have a ZT0770CF for carbon fiber assisted ZT model. So I'm gonna be careful not to show the address of the sender and also to keep my hand away from that blade because I held it like this and I was just envisioning this going all the way through into my finger. All right, so as I've said many times before, I don't cut myself on knives, I cut myself on paper. Seriously, every now and again, I'm doing a video and you guys, obviously I'm a hand model, as you know, and you see cuts and stuff on me, it's always from paper. I get paper cuts, I don't get knife cuts. So I'm happy about that, but paper cuts probably hurt more. Open this up. Okay, my phone rang. That's lovely, so I put it on airplane mode, which I sometimes forget to do when I'm filming. That's cool. All right, so looks like it is in here. We will see that in just a moment. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the sender. All right, so the note says, read top first. My name is Lewis. I'm a 16-year-old knife maker and fan of yours. I've been making knives since 2015, and you have been a big inspiration while improving my craft. Along with knives, I also make rings, I make EDC tools, restore vintage tools, paint, and pour resin. Though this one hobby I have expanded out into different things, and I have you to thank for that, you have truly opened my eyes into the world of making. So I thought I would give you some goodies. All right, read after looking at the goodies. So let's look at the goodies, and then we'll go back to reading. There's some cool stuff here. We were talking about the rings, and he said that he wanted to send me one for me and one for Christina. And I happen to wear a size 12, which is my wedding band. I don't know if, it's a little snug. This one's 11, I think 11 and a quarter. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get that back off. Gotta drop a couple more pounds before I can fit this, but something to look forward to. This is a beautiful ring, by the way. And then one for Christina, which is very cool. And this, I believe, is a size 8. So what else do we have here? Some cool looking beads. This I did not know about. I knew about the rings, but I didn't know about these. This is pretty neat. And we have a clear one. Pretty cool. Okay, going back to the note. In the package I have included 2 hand-turned, no lathe, resin rings, where one you can see being made on my YouTube channel. I also included a small lanyard bead made from micarta, laminated coffee bags. That would be this one. Very cool. Really cool. Lastly, I've included other assorted resin beads. Make sure to check out how I made the blue one on my YouTube and keep up with my recent projects on my Instagram, both tagged below. Thanks again, Jeff. Tell everyone at home I say hello. Keep up the great work and keep producing quality content. Sincerely, Lewis L. So there's the contact information. You can Google it or check him out on Instagram or YouTube. I will certainly go onto his YouTube channel and watch a few of his videos. Also, P.S. one of the rings glow. Interesting. I want to say this one, but I don't really know. We're going to find out. But yeah, that is very cool. Also, the picture, believe it or not, also very cool. Super rare. It's me, super rare. Is this a sticker? Oh, that'd be awesome if this is a sticker. It's going on my gun safe. I can't tell. I can't tell if it's a sticker or not. It feels like backing, like sticker paper. I don't know. I'll figure it out. If it is a sticker, your face is going to go onto my gun safe. So yeah, that is really, really cool. I'm excited for Christina to try her ring, and I'm excited to drop enough weight to try mine. Almost. Yeah, well, maybe not almost. Looks like a wrapped pork loin. But, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Pushed down too far. So yeah, more motivation to drop some LBs and pop that ring on. In fact, when I gained weight, my wedding band didn't fit for a while, which was like, uh-oh, that's no bueno, no good. So luckily that finally fits. But anyway, I think it's really, really cool. On Instagram, I saw his knives. His knives look awesome. Definitely worth checking out on Instagram as well. I'm sure he shows some of that stuff on his YouTube channel, so I will definitely be looking at that probably right after this video. So here's a closer shot of this stuff because there's a lot of detail in these pieces. It's really beautiful. I'm guessing maybe, I don't know, 15 or 20 pounds. I could probably slip that ring on. Here's the one for Christina. I mean, just really beautiful. And then these beads are awesome as well. Love that micarta. So, this guy's got talent, I'm telling you, and definitely check out the Instagram for his knives. I mean, really, really well done. So, I'm very, very happy to hear that, you know, watching a couple of my videos maybe helped inspire you to start making stuff. It seems like you're talented enough where if you didn't see my videos, I'm sure you would have figured out that you're very good at making things. So that's it. Thanks again, Lois. Really appreciate it. And you guys will see a review on this knife fairly soon, probably within a week or so. All right, so I figured it out. I was peeling at the very, very edge, but this is, in fact, a sticker. So Lewis is going to be a permanent addition to my gun safe. I will never forget you, buddy. And seriously, you are extremely talented. So I will definitely follow you on YouTube and I'll follow you on Instagram. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.